How to change Microsoft account password. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up any web browser on a device. Then tap on the search bar. Now type Microsoft login. Now tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now simply open up the first website. Then tap on sign in. Now enter the email address. Then tap on next. Now tap on forgot password. Now wait for some time. Now go to the email and copy the code. Then go back to application. Now enter the code and tap on next. Now create a new password and tap on save. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.